FSCI, the Foundation for Social Change and Inclusion, tackles poverty in Southeast Europe. We work to prevent modern slavery and exploitation, and that takes us into marginalised Roma communities where the coronavirus pandemic currently poses an enormous threat. Locked down in overcrowded homes, living 6 or 7 to a room, in often very unhygienic conditions, families are facing an unprecedented level of anxiety. Parents can't work, they have little money for food, and the fear of disease is everywhere. Our team in Facultatea in Bulgaria, which is a huge Roma community of 50,000 people, that's the size of Salisbury, are connected with families through the community centre that FSCI funds. Annie and her colleagues are well known. They are trusted. Working with government agencies and other NGOs, they are providing health advice and practical assistance day in, day out. COVID-19 has resulted in several deaths in the community. Many are in hospital. Lots of people have lost their jobs or been laid off without pay. Families are resorting to loan sharks to get enough money to buy food. The need is huge. There are so many families in dire trouble. FSCI has put out an appeal for more funds specifically to help us give immediate practical help. You can find out more on our website. Talk of conspiracy in Facultatea is growing. It's common in marginalised communities where people have faced discrimination for decades. People are saying they should resist testing because they'll actually be infected by the government. Some are saying the stories of death and illness are all lies to justify lockdown and them losing their livelihoods. But of course it's not so. And Annie and her colleagues are right in the middle of it. Last week Annie told us about a young man who died of the virus. She went to their home to test the contacts. Here's what she said. It was very difficult for me to see the family, which I know very well. But my fear was also huge. There is fear in all my colleagues, but it is really our duty to work for the community, even though we realise how huge the risk is. So, how can you pray? Pray for courage, for peace, for access to the most needy, for the trust to be maintained, for more resources so that our team can give meaningful help now when it's most needed. Thank you.